So this symbol that establishes the relationship between a set and the elements of a set is referred to as a membership operator. There are 8 types of sets: empty sets, or the null set, infinite set, finite set, equal set, singleton set, equivalent set, universal set, and subset or proper set. Empty set is represented with this notation. If set A is an empty set, this is the notation of an empty set. So example of an empty set. Set A contains element x, so that x is an odd number. An odd number completely divisible by 2. So set A contains an element x, so that x is an odd number completely divisible by 2. There is no such odd number that is completely divisible by 2. Therefore, the set A is an empty set. The singleton set. Now, this is a set that contains only one element. So the member of this set is 1. Let's look at an example. Set A contains an element x, such that x is an even odd number. So that x is an even prime number. Set A contains the element x, so that x is an even prime number. Now this implies that set A contains the element 2, because 2 is an even prime number. So this type of set that contains only one element inside it is a singleton set. The finite set. The members of a finite set are countable. So a set whose element can be counted can be referred to as a finite set. Example, set A contains the element x, such that x is a state in Nigeria. If x is a state in Nigeria, it therefore means that this implies that the number of elements in set A, is equal to 36. So it is possible to count the number of elements inside set A. Therefore, set A is a finite set. Infinite set. Now, this is a set whose element is uncountable. The number of elements inside the set is uncountable. So that type of set is referred to as infinite set. Or there is no end to the number of elements in the set. So such a set is referred to as an infinite set. So example, set I contains element y such that y is a multiple of 3. If y is a multiple of 3, it therefore means that the elements of set I are 3, 6, 9, 12, ... So there is no end to the number of the multiples of 3. So it is infinite according to the description of this set. Therefore, this is an infinite set. Equal set. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain the same number of items or the same type of items, but the order, regardless of the order. So, for example, if we have set A, it's made up of elements P, Q, and R. And then we have set B, it's made up of elements